para makapag-travel pa more.
Buhatin mo itong extra weight sa likod ko.
Hey! Chai, laban ng chai. Hi, Papa June. This is... Okay, we're gonna eat tangerine farm. Ah, nice. 2 years of farming. Fish in the kitchen.
Chewing gum.
Good morning! Greetings here from Jeju, Korea. Hi, Nia. Today is Friday, November 28th. That's my date stamp. And we are getting ready to go down. Our tourist guide will be here shortly at 9 a.m. Hi, Chai.
Hello.
Feeling better?
Yes.
Kawawa naman si Chai. Mukhang magkakasakit. Hopefully not. Let's bring some medication. But anyway, we are heading to 7-Eleven across the street to grab some quick coffee. And then, we're gonna meet our Miss Tour Guide to bring us around Jeju for the rest of the day. So, we'll see you guys in a bit. Okay, heading downstairs into our tour. Oh, ang bango. Dad kami by the scent. Di ba ang bango siya yun? Ang ganito dapat sa condo. We are here. Tara, Chay. Baka pa na tumawid dito, Chay. Tara na. Clear, clear. Okay, we're here at 7-Eleven. Grab a quick coffee for breakfast right there. And Chai have a iced coffee. We have the cold one. I have the hot one here. Ay, daming ice na pa. Ice Americano. Yeah. Halika na. At least hindi masyadong malamig ngayon. Yeah, don't jinx it. Kasi walang hangin, Chai. It's not as much cold as yesterday's. Yeah. Oh, I don't know. Oh. Malamig na yun. Malamig pa rin today. Good morning. Anong itinerary po natin, Te? Saan tayo?
West.
West naman tayo. Kahapon nag-east. Southeast tayo. Ngayon naman west. Okay. Ayun, Starbucks. Ano to? Meron din ah. Ayan, Starbucks. That's what I said. That's the Princess Tower. Oh, nice.
Malaking butan.
Ah, okay. Hindi ka tayo pupunta.
Ito ang punta natin.
Ah, okay. Sa water dito. May bayad dyan, te. Wala naman.
Meron.
Okay.
Nasa 2.5.
Ah, okay. Dito tayo pupunta.
Palamig.
Oh my God.
A few moments later.
Cheon. Oh. Baba tayo ng entrance.
Uli, taas ng yung Hamyong.
So, dito yung famous na ano.
Dito, tatlo ang level ng waterfall.
Oh, okay.
This Mount symbolize the five blessings of
The coin lands into the lucky bag, you will receive the blessing. The coins gathered here will be used to help Korea's underprivileged peso. Okay na. Kailangan ma-shoot daw? Ano? Sa ano daw? Sa lab. Si Chai sa lab. Dad, ikaw, Dad? Pork. Ayun, sa pig siya. Okay, shoot mo doon, ha?
Ano pala dito sa pera?
Yes. Sa taas, di ba? Sa taas. Okay. Mag-wish ka muna.
Wish mo, work na na eh.
Lampas! Oh, ikaw ni aba, wealth din ang gusto. Oo, para makapag-travel pa more. Oh my God, di tayo bagsak. Ikaw, Chay. Pera din, wealth din. Puro wealth. Ay! Wala. Mia, mami naman, mami.
I'm broke. Uy!
Uy, naka-record.
Pwede bang ulitin? Ay, lumampas! Alas na, dali! Alas na!
Uy!
Sabi,
It's by 20 pesos.
ano tong iba?
Second time. Okay, let's see. Hindi pa rin? Lampas? Wala na tayong barya. Sa help for Nia.
I go like this?
No, I don't know. It's up to you. Tapos, mission failed. We don't have any more coins, so but we didn't have the chance to put it in the hole. But it's okay. So again, this symbolizes if you want to wish for the blessings, longevity, wealth, honor, love, and sons. So anyway, we'll try again later. So now we are going for a tour. Hi, Han. How do you feel? We didn't get it. Okay, this is nice here. Let's show it. Wow. It's like exercise again. Ooh, that's so nice. Look at that. Ganda. It's pretty here. Fall hazard. Oh my gosh. Hi, Han. Can you walk? Exercise? Yeah? Oh, it's cold. It's windy now. About to pick up. Water. It rains yesterday, but there's no water. Nia's wearing a mask now because it's so cold. Ano siya? Okay lang? Whoa! Look at that. Okay, we're not taking pictures here on the top. So we will try to go down there. Ate said there's like 2 waterfalls, I think, in here, but we don't know if there's water. Ah, oo nga. Ito yung parang picture spot nila. History and behind it. Ayan, this bridge. Falls. Okay, the first waterfall only flows after heavy rain. Oh, ba't ka na, Dad? Dive.
Ano yung mind? Bagay, ganyan sa ano? Puro na lang ano eh, Kogyo eh.
I know. Namimiss mo nata sa Kogyo eh. You wanna go sa Kogyo? Kogyo. Picture. Nice.
So
Look at this.
blue. Fall it.
So may tubig lang siya kapag umuulan. Pero pag walang tubig, walang ulan. Okay, we are here at the second falls. It is 500 m to the observatory, to the third steeper difficulty in reaching the Three Fierce waterfall. It's like 500 meters away. Chay, laban lang, Chay. Hingay lang, Chay. Andiyan na ba? Okay. Look, ang layo nila ako namin, oh.
Dito na tayo bababa, di ba? Isa pa raw chai. Kapiraso na lang. Lapit na kami. Chai ngayon. Isa po chai property. Protected area. Whew. Okay, kaya pa. Hindi nga si Chai. Okay, saan tayo tayo nagpunta? Ano, you're here. Ah. Ay, dito tayo nang galing. Umikot lang tayo? Ah, okay. Ito na pala yun. Ah, warm up lang yan, warm up. Okay, so we were here earlier. We were walking down the other side. So we finished. So now we're heading to our third waterfall. This is where we came from. Yeah, we're gonna go back there later. The car. Okay, heading to the third waterfall. Be careful of the wet spot. There's no wet spot. It's super sunny right now. Oh my god, there's snake in here. What if it comes out? Usually naman pag maingay, hindi naman lumalabas yan, di ba? Kahit na, snake is a snake. Chay, sumigaw ka, Chay, pag natuklaw ka, ah. Mamaya, lakad na wala ka na pala. Oh my goodness.
Paano mo lang mahal ko?
Yeah. They labeled their plants here so they know. Even the tree. 안녕하세요. 안녕. 안녕. Okay, where's Chai? Chai is like, come on, Chai, you can do it. 안녕하세요.
Isipan mo yun. Ang ganda niya.
Ano? What about it?
Ang handa.
Keep fighting, Chai. Kaya mo yan. You can do it. Hello. Okay, this way to the waterfalls. No way daw dyan. No way. Here. So this way. I'm gonna be super hungry. Hi, Papa June. Huh? You don't see birds? Okay, this is the third waterfalls, guys. Ah, this is it. This is it. Nice. That's the waterfalls. Nice. We are done with the third falls, so we are going up again and go out of this area so we can head back to our next destination. Come on, Chai, fighting. Laban lang, Chai. Laban lang. Hingal ni Chai, oh my God. Marami-raming black pork yung makakain mo niya mamaya. Teka, mag-Starbucks muna tayo. Oh my God, more. This is the stiff. June and Nia is like all the way up there. We're still here walking. Yay, Chai made it! Ganda dun, oh. Picture ka ako. Oh, picture na kanina. How is the waterfall?
Buhatin mo itong extra weight sa likod mo.
Ba't naman iiwas sa car yan?
That's what I said.
How is it done? Look at this. Beware of snakes. Over there, but we're not going. I'm not a plant lover. OMG, kuya. Tabi pag may time. Wala siyang pake, no? Ganyan sila dito. Nasa gitna lang ang lolo mo.
A few moments later.
They said this is one of the nicest Starbucks here. They actually have 3 or 4 nice Starbucks, but this is one of them. Then the other one was yesterday. Starbucks Reserve, Grim Forest, Story Castle. Starbucks. Ayun, Jeju.
No, you might need to ask.
Ayun, no, Jeju.
Oh yeah, but you might need to ask for it.
Here at Starbucks, it's super hot in here. Hi, Mia got some Jeju map. finally, Mox, I got you a mug. And then they gave this one, each of us. Look, oh, it's pretty. This is a giveaway. And a magnet. Let me see, anak, yung magnet. They said it's for us.
So it's for you. Especially that.
Special event. So
Or keep it last.
nice. So we ordered 4 drinks. And then 3 sandwiches, right? Okay, we're waiting for it.
It's for your tea.
Tea, okay.
This is for...
Anyway, this is what we have. We have a bagel with cheese and a bacon. Mini's gonna share. And then you have the cheese, I think now. This is our breakfast from Starbucks. Here's your matcha.
Yan, meron ka naman.
Okay, we're gonna eat now. Si ate, nandiyan na ba? Where's ate? Okay. We are now going to our tourist guide's car. Ito palang advantages kapag meron kang guide in the country. Much easier. Anak ko. Ay, sorry anak. Okay. Thank you ate.
A few moments later.
I'm gonna try the tangerine farm ni ate. Dapat mag-harvest kayo? Ano to, te? Puro ano to, sa mga kapitbahay mo, ganyan din. Entering our tourist guides farm. They have a farm here. Oh, look. Tapos, ano to, commercially, ano nyo to, binibenta?
Ang dami.
That picture.
Picture.
Ganda. Paano pag tag-ulan?
Ganito ang pag-cut. Pag tag-ulan ka magka-cut.
Ah,
Ito hindi na masarap. Ito yan na malalaki.
ay.
Ganyan lang cut. Tapos punas-punas lang.
Ah,
Pwede na kainin.
try mo dala. It's so nice. Ha? Pag malaki raw,
Pero
Rachel.
masarap pa rin daw. Kaya, malaki yung kunin mo.
Ay, na parang...
Siguro walang nabili pag malaki.
Oo, yan. Pag ano, over...
Na ano na rin kami ng yung mga insekto.
Oo. Tapos, ano ginagawa niyo po sa reject? Tapos lang?
Tapos lang ka.
Oo, oh, sayang naman.
Yung ganito, may bumibili ginagawang juice.
Juice, oo. Ah, okay.
Or ginagawang wine.
Ah, mas mura siya.
Okay, say.
Here. Tingnan natin. Sobrang naman laki niyan, Dad. It's huge.
Hindi pa kami namimili kasi may konti-konti pang green na mga ganito.
Ah, pag may konting green, hindi pa siya pwede pitasin. Wow, you're trying your ano. Let's see, let's show your ano. Ah, nice. Nasaan picture mo? Yung maliliit lang.
Hindi nga, kung yung mga malaki. Kasi reject.
Yeah.
Ito to.
Okay, okay. Try it. Nice. Gusto ko tikman. Okay. Nahiya po kami. At
Mahiya.
hindi nyo alam yung good and bad orange. Harap.
Pero masarap, parang kagaya sa ate.
Hanggang doon yun sa
Paano
likod.
rin tinatanggal pa?
Walang machine na sinishake. Wala. Dito sa amin kasi nakikita mo yung mga. Thank you, Chai.
Matamis ba yung malaki? Yung malaki ano eh.
Ay, hindi ko naman kumain. Kailangan mo ng vitamin C.
Gotta find like a good looking orange.
Do you see yourself farming?
Me?
Uh-uh.
I would. I don't know if I agree with them. Ito, ganito siya.
It's all the way back there.
A few moments later.
Bigyan na tayo.
Barbecue tayo.
Samgyeopsal.
What do you call it?
Samgyeopsal.
Samgyeopsal. Okay, we're gonna eat here. Hopefully it's open. Parang walang tao. Ha?
Sarado. Walang tao. Oo. Ayan o.
Oo.
Balik ulit eh.
Oops. Hanap tayo iba ulit. Hanap tayo iba. Sarado. Tanji here. Food stand. artist.
Mixes it.
Everywhere you go has a tangerine farm.
A few moments later.
Okay, we're eating here because the other one is closed. So, Ate said there's an NCT daw na K-pop who ate here before. So, we'll see kung masarap siya. Ayan na, poster nila. Ayan siya, yung may poster. Wish in Jeju.
They're the newest group.
What? Ah, nice. Ang dami pa ng mga artists. Ah, I know that guy. This Korean, Tachay, famous yun eh. Oh, you have to leave your shoes on. Kahit saan. Hindi kasi makakaano si Chay eh. Hello. Hello.
Oh, it's spicy. Gusto niyo anong spice?
Medium lang.
Medium lang.
Bukong. Hana-hana mo dyan. Dami na dyan. Bukan dyan.
One.
Ikan.
Mukhang 14 yun.
Kaka-18 mo lang.
Ano naman guluto? Ate, sinabi mo tayo walang fish doon? Or seafood?
Alam na niya.
Yan ba yung black meat?
Ng ano siya. Marinate.
Ay, ako po. Thank you. Mag-ano tayo? Oh my God, it's moving. Oh God, galing. Ayaw niya magpaluto, oh. Umaalis siya. Parang snail. Ay, maluluto ka na. Paano ba yan? Malakas naman kasi yung apoy siguro.
Ang masarap yung ano ko sa akin. Yung sa akin ano siya. Parang bagoong.
Wow, naman ang bulong. Daw, hintay ka. Wow, it's still moving, guys. Can you see it? Kaboloni. Oh, really fresh. Wawa naman, oh. Oh, torture. Sorry. Talagang pinanganak kayong ganyan. May kakainin talaga kayo. I know. Help me, help. Really fresh.
Ito yung ano
Side dishes. Ano po to? Bamboo?
Spelt na
Okay, tapos ito, kimchi. Salad.
during springtime lang namin. Ngayon wala na.
Ito ba, niluluto rin ito dito? Garlic? Or ito kinakain nyo?
Pwede rin
So ito yung maanghang nila dito.
dip lang sa ganito or sa ganyan.
Ito, may sili pa.
Removing the abalone. Diba? So you have to dip it. So, the black pork. Dip it here. Dip mo? No? Dip mo dyan.
I can.
How is it? Good. Gonna try the abalone. See if it's any good. This one. Saan po kinakain itong abalone? Ganito lang. Chay, dumbin mo, Chay. Bakit sir sa uso po itong abalone? Ito lang?
Salt and pepper lang.
Salt and pepper. Ito na lang salt and pepper. Pepper, abalone.
Express.
Harap.
Kadiri-diri lang po siya. Kasama dyan.
Oh, yan. I-grill din. Alin? Oh, this is that nice chicharon lang.
Kumain ko.
Tikman natin. Dito na rin. Tikman na natin. Tapos ano po yung bean? Ayan, tikman natin.
Tikman mo na tayo.
You're already grilling it. Like, you act like you about to eat it.
Bawal. I am.
Yeah, you were already grilling it. That's why bro came back and was like, what is it?
Your dad stained his
They're
face.
looking for it. I guess they wait for you to eat everything and then they cook, then they grill it for you.
Ano ba yan? Let's go try this taba. Oh my god, this is like the chicharon daw. Their chicharon. Like a chicharon. Ano?
Nainitan.
Ano try feedback? Sarap.
Sarap. Ba't ngayon naiinitan naman ako?
Oh my god.
Kanina hindi daw.
Starbo.
Hindi na, kainin mo na.
Kanina
Hindi ka naman sa baboy eh. Describe mo yung pork na yan.
Chicharones.
Ano, masarap?
Ano rin?
Happy? Lahat? Okay.
Yeah.
Ito sayang oh. Busin mo. Onion. Yeah, wala natira.
Okay na ako.
Ayan, chicharones.
Ayaw
Kakainin
kainin
ni
ni
Jun.
chicharon.
Goodbye! This is where we ate lunch on our second day here in Jeju. Goodbye! It's a good one. That's Manbok Black Pork, a Jeju traditional restaurant. Panalo China. Nice. I love it. The black pork. And the taba. The taba tastes like a
Chewing gum.
chewing gum. No, it's not. Sarap.
It's like jello.
It's like Yosemite.
It's cool here. That's why there's
Very pretty
a year-round tree.
cave. I think that's a cave.